It's I would say it's kind of a celebration, man. It's a celebration to honor our own operators, our drivers, and our employees. It's probably the one time in the year that we can get that many people together in the same room on the same day and just be able to have a big celebration.
They're all very family oriented. They're very, you can just be yourself, which is one reason I love Mercer in general. They're very focused on the truck drivers and welcoming them in and making sure they know they're a part of the Mercer family.
I would say it is a good atmosphere and good environment that you can spend with our community here within Mercer. It involves our managers, our employees, and most importantly, our contractors. The Jamboree is a time where we can see a lot of the contractors that we normally don't see on a year-to-year basis. So it's good for people to come in and to kind of catch up with everyone. Obviously, good food, games, and then prizes for our contractors as well.
Been just going before I went home and had dinner and hung out with people from other departments. I have also worked the Jamboree and helped out with all of the games and gave out prizes. The funny chaos that happened and took place backstage, if you will, it was a lot of fun, and I think it changed a lot of the atmosphere, and you could see it, all the fun that we had during it. I had a great time.
So beforehand it was just a cookout. Now we have amazing stuff that goes on. We try to make it special every year. A couple of the first we had a Show Us Your Truck show. So we had a lot more Mercer contractors come out, polish pride, all their trucks out there. So we had a truck contest. Show me your truck. We had trophies. And then also, I think one of my favorites is going to be a luau. We had a luau with luau dancers. That was really fun too. The last year I believe we did The Price is Right. We had the booths, we had the wheel, contractors, employees. We had a lot of people here last year.
Okay.
So just the acting, the back scenes, it was amazing. It got a lot of our contractors and employees together.
We don't have a job without the drivers. So any chance that we get to be able to honor these guys, whether it's the Jamboree or Top 10 or just a driver appreciation day, anytime that we can just put them on a pedestal and say thank you, we're gonna take advantage of it.